Hello friends, I am Balaji Rao. Welcome to BR Max class. In this class, we will do the proof of sin A plus B geometrically. First, I'll write few construction steps. You please follow those steps. First step, consider a circle with center O. You observe here, I consider a circle with center O. You observe here, I considered OP which makes an angle A with x-axis. You observe the diagram. This is OP. I considered OP which makes an angle A with x-axis. And OQ makes an angle B with OP. You observe this is OQ which makes an angle B with OP. You observe this green color. This is angle B. Okay. Draw PR, QS which are perpendicular to x-axis. You observe this is PR. I drawn PR which is perpendicular to x-axis. I drawn QS which is perpendicular to x-axis. This is important. Draw QP which is perpendicular to OP. You observe here. This is important point. Draw QP which is perpendicular to OP. Here the triangle OPQ is a right angle triangle. The triangle OPQ is a right angle triangle. And draw PT which is parallel to x-axis. You observe here, I drawn PT, this PT which is parallel to x-axis. I hope you are understanding. Now we need to observe few things very carefully at the diagram. Now I'll zoom this diagram and you observe the triangle QTP. You observe here the line TP and the line OR. The line TP and the line OR both are parallel. TP is parallel to OR. Then this OP acts as a transversal. Then these are alternate interior angles. These two angles are equal. What angle is there here? Angle A is there. So here what is this angle? This angle is A. And we know that you observe this full is 90 degrees. This full angle is 90 degrees. Here we know that this small angle is A. What do you say about this part of the angle? This part. In this triangle QTP. In this triangle QTP, what is this angle P? This angle will be 90 degrees minus A. Please try to understand. This full angle is 90 degrees. This smaller part is 90 minus A and this smaller part is A. 90 minus A plus A is 90. Then this total will become 90. As you can observe, this is a right angle. This will be 90 degrees here. Now you see in this triangle QTP, angle Q, that means this angle, I want to calculate this angle, angle Q plus this angle T is 90 degrees plus this angle P in this triangle QTP, in this triangle QTP, angle P is 90 degrees minus A. 90 degrees minus A equal to sum of all angles in a triangle is 180 degrees now. So I'll write 180 degrees here. Now this 90 degrees plus 90 degrees, 180 degrees. This 180 will get cancelled. Angle Q is what? Take minus A to the other side, it will become plus A. So what is this angle? This angle is A. This is the point you need to understand. Okay, you write this information in the part of the proof. So we came to know that this angle is A. Okay, now I'll write few things which will be useful in triangle OPQ. You observe the triangle OPQ. This triangle is right angle triangle. In this triangle, I'll write what is sin B, what is cos B from the diagram. I know that sin B means opposite side by hypotenuse. You see here QP is opposite side of B. Sin B is opposite side divided by hypotenuse. And we know that hypotenuse means opposite to 90 degrees. So here OQ, I written sin B. From the same triangle, I'll write cos B also, which we use while solving the proof. You observe this triangle OPQ. What is cos B? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side in this triangle? Adjacent side is OP divided by hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is OQ. These things I'll use while deriving the formula. Few more things also needed. Those things also I'll write here. In triangle OPR, you observe the triangle OPR. This is the triangle OPR. In this triangle, what is sin A? We know that sin A means opposite side by hypotenuse. What is opposite side here? Opposite side is PR divided by hypotenuse is OP. Now you observe in triangle QTP, you observe this triangle QTP. Here it is a right angle triangle. From this I'll write what is cosA. From this triangle QTP, what is cosA? Here this TP is opposite side. CosA is adjacent side by hypotenuse. CosA is TQ. TQ divided by hypotenuse is opposite to 90 degrees. Opposite to 90 degrees is here PQ. So cosA is TQ divided by PQ. Here what things I written, you see what is sin A plus B formula? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. See here sin A cos B cos A sin B. What are the things needed? I written here. If you write these things while deriving this sin A plus B, you won't feel any difficulty. Till now we just written the geometrical part of this diagram. Now I'll start deriving this sin A plus B. You observe this in triangle OQS. You observe triangle OQS. This is the triangle OQS. What about this full angle? What do you say about this full angle? This full angle is A plus B, correct? In this triangle OQS, I'll write what is sin A plus B formula? Opposite to angle A plus B divided by hypotenuse. This is the side opposite to angle A plus B. That is what you will get. That is QS divided by hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is OQ. You observe the diagram. Where is QS? This is QS. You see here QS is there. This is QS. This QS can be written as ST plus TQ. ST plus TQ. Yes, we can write like that. QS can be written as ST plus TQ. What is ST plus TQ? It is nothing but QS only. We can understand this easily. Why I am writing like this? Just to get the answer. That's it. Divided by OQ. This OQ I am writing as it is. OQ. You observe here this ST. This ST and PR both are of same length. From the figure you can easily understand that ST is same as PR. So in place of ST I'll write PR because I know that ST is same as PR divided by OQ. We almost all came to the end. You observe this PR plus TQ divided by OQ can be written as PR divided by OQ plus TQ divided by OQ. Here I'll write a step. You please try to catch those points. PR divided by, like that I'll write, plus TQ divided by. Now the point is we need to fill these gaps. Okay. You observe in this whatever I written here, PR divided by where is there? PR. Here you observe PR divided by OP is there. You just simply write OP here. Okay. So that will become sin A. As you written OP here, here also you write OP. As OP is a distance, OP will get cancelled. Then you will get PR divided by OQ only. I hope you are understanding. This is the easy method to do the solution. Here TQ, you observe this four things. In this, where is TQ? TQ is there here. TQ divided by what is there? TQ divided by PQ is there. So you write PQ here. And here also you write PQ. If PQ will get cancelled, TQ divided by OQ only you will get. Now I'll write what is PR divided by OP. What is PR divided by OP? PR divided by OP is sin A. What is OP divided by OQ? OP divided by OQ is cos B plus what is TQ divided by PQ? TQ divided by PQ is cos A. What is PQ divided by OQ? PQ, QP both are same only. PQ divided by OQ is sin B. So what happened here? Finally, we proved that sin A plus B. See here, left hand side sin A plus B is there. Sin A plus B is there. Sin A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B.